Calculating percentage change. A percentage change measures the extent to which something increases or decreases. Maybe it's an extent to which something is gained or lost. It compares the difference between two values, a old value, an old value, and value. Now, calculating percentage change, it could be a decrease, it could be an increase. Now, the answer you get from this calculation will determine whether it's an increase or decrease. Basically, the steps you follow is also the same as calculating a percentage change or increase. You calculate, we have old value minus new value all over the old value multiplied by 100 over 1. If you are using this formula, if your answer is positive, when you have a positive answer depicts a percentage decrease. While if you have a negative answer depicts a percentage increase. So here is the logic. Because if this answer is positive, it means that the difference between the old value and the new value is actually positive, which means that your old value is greater than the new value, and that suggests a decrease. But when you have a negative answer, it means that your old value is less than your new value. So your numerator here is going to be negative, and that's why it's going to be a negative answer. Now, interpreting the answer, when you're interpreting the answer, the sign in front will only help you to understand whether it's an increase or a decrease. But what we actually need is the absolute figure. For instance, if I have 20%, this tells me there has been a 20% decrease. If I have minus 20%, this tells me there has been 20% increase. So I won't say my percentage change is minus 20. What I'm really concerned about is the absolute values of these figures. So the signs in front will only help me in interpreting my result. So I'm going to take an example. The change in the price of a book over a period of 3 years is given below. Calculate the percentage change for each year if the original price was, I should have naira here. If the original price was 1,500 naira, and state if it's a percentage decrease or increase. Now, what we'll do is this. The formula has already been given as percentage change equals old value minus new value over old value. We are comparing it to an old value multiplied by 100 over 1. So now, for year one, the old value, which is 1,500, now the book sells for one copy for 1,000 naira. That's the new value. Comparing it to the old value, which is 1,005, multiplied by 100 all over 1. So we have this is 500 over 1,005 multiplied by 100 over 1. 2 zeros cancels 2 zeros. 5 can go here in 3 places. 5 can go here in 100. So we have 100 over 3, which is 33.33%. So now we have 33.33%. Here I can say my percentage change. Let me extend the table. Percentage change after a year was 33.33%. So the questions also say state if it is a percentage decrease or increase. Don't forget the rule says if you have a positive answer, it's a decrease. If we have a negative answer, then it's an increase. So in this case, we say there has been 33.33% decrease in the price of book. So here we have a percentage decrease. So now we go to year 2. Year 2. After year 2, now the old value now is going to be 1,000 because we are comparing it over 3 years, year after year. 1,000 now, and the new price now as at second year is 800. Comparing it to the old price, which is 1,000 naira, multiplied by 100 over 1. So we are going to have 1,000 minus 800 is 200 over 1,000 multiplied by 100. 100 goes there 1, 100 goes there in 10 places. So 200 over 10 equals to 20%. Then again, our answer is positive, which means now our percentage change after the second year is now 20% decrease. So now we also saw there has been a decrease in the price of book by 20%. So now we move to the third year. Year 3. And our old value now is 800. 800 minus, or the new value is 1,200. All over the old value is 800 multiplied by 100 over 1. And here we're going to have 800 minus 1,002 is minus 400 because 12 is greater than 800. All over 800 multiplied by 100. 400 goes here 1. 400 goes in 800 in 2 places. So we have minus 100 over 2, which is minus 50%. So here we have minus 50% change in the price of book. And don't forget I said the negative is just trying to tell us whether it's an increase or decrease. So we also have a 50% increase in the prices of food, but this time around we have an increase in the prices in the price of book, and that is that about it. So some other tests also rewrite the formulas as a percentage change equals new value minus old value all over the old value multiplied by 100 over 1. Then in this case, if your answer is positive, a positive answer will mean there's an increase or a percentage increase, while a negative answer, I think this is more logical though, will depict a percentage decrease. And this is what is more applicable, especially in economics. If, for instance, you want to calculate a percentage change in the quantity demanded, you see something like the formula is y2 minus y1 over y1 minus multiplied by 100 over 1. y2 is your quantity, new quantity demanded. Then y1, you can say old or initial quantity demanded. So what you just have to note, whichever of the formula is convenient for you, but if I were you, I'll just stick to one and keep the rules in my mind. If we are going to be using this new value minus old value over old value, what we are just saying here is if the new value is greater than the old value, definitely that's an increase. And your answer is going to be positive. That's why that's the percentage increase. If the new value is less than your old value, your answer is going to be negative because there has been a decrease, and that's going to be a percentage decrease. So whichever one works for you, you just have to keep in mind that a percentage change compares two values, the old and the new, just to measure the exact, the extent to which something has increased or something has decreased. You can Watch out for my video on percentage gain or loss, where we'll be applying that to, you know, business, selling, cost price, and all. I believe the video has helped you. Share with your friends, like my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you later. Thank you.